Hey everybody, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. How we doing today? I have got some big news for you. So why don't you guys come back and I'll tell you what it is. Okay everybody, I told you I got news. It's not that big of news. I think it's pretty special. I've been doing this YouTube thing for a little while. And everybody asks me, hey Randy, where's your stickers? Do you have a sticker? Well, I didn't. Until now. There it is. The new Mobile Traveler sticker. Now, not only do I have stickers, but look at that coffee cup there. Is that pretty cool or what? What I did was I got on a place called Teespring. Now, Teespring allows me to have coffee cups, cell phone cases, t-shirts, sweatshirts, coffee mugs, things like that. They all have my logo. Bam, Mobile Traveler. So if you guys wanted one, I'm going to put the link down below to Teespring. And you can go through the store and you can purchase something if you want it. Now, the stickers are a different story. The stickers I have with me. And what you're going to have to do there is I'm going to sell the stickers for $5. Or if you buy more than one, they'll be $4 a piece. So 2 for $8, 3 for $12, so on and so forth. You buy it through PayPal. And then make sure you put your address in the PayPal message so I can get them out to you right away. Like I said, short video. I hope you guys are doing great. I am. Thanks for watching, people. I appreciate you, each and every one of you. You guys have a great day. And remember, get your sticker. All right. Bye now.